Here's a pair of the Soundcore P30i Earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's go to the Bluetooth settings on your Samsung TV. So just go to your home page. You can click on the home button and just scroll over to the left side. So we're going to go left, and then you can see the settings right down there. Go ahead and select on settings and then all settings. And then we're going to go down one to sound right there. Okay, on the remote. Sound output is currently coming out of the TV speaker, but we want it to come out of these. So let's select sound output. And now I'm going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list right there. Select that. And now it's scanning for Bluetooth devices that are in pairing mode that is near me. So now we got to hurry up and put these in a pairing mode. Okay, so now with these, make sure the buds are in here. We have to put these in pairing mode. So let's open it up. And then I want you to put both of them into your ear. Okay, and then as soon as I put these into my ear, I hear like the turn on chime. And then for you, you should eventually hear like doot, 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 doot. If you hear that, it's in pairing mode. For me, I heard doot, doot, that last one. That's because I'm connected to, I think, one of my phones. So for me, it's not in pairing mode. If you're in pairing mode, then it's going to show up on here, okay? But mine's not in pairing mode, so I have to go ahead and take mine out. Let me put it back in the case here. And I'm going to close it. And then next what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it, put both back into my ear, and then as soon as I put it in my ear, I'm going to tap both sides, and I should hear beep beep on both sides, and I'm going to hold it for about 8 seconds, okay? So I got to put these in a pairing mode. So let me open these up. I'm going to take the earbuds out. And then as soon as I put these in my ear, I'm going to tap and hold both sides, okay? So they're in my ear. I just tapped both sides. I heard beep beep on both sides. And now I hear beep, boop, boop, meaning it's in pairing mode, okay? So let's go back on here. Oh, let me click on Bluetooth list here again. Okay, there we go. And now we see Soundcore P30i needs pairing. I'm going to go ahead and select that. Pair and connect. Okay, that. And there you go. And now it's not connected. And they're in my ear. They're already working. So there you go. Now, if you guys had any kind of issues pairing or connecting these earbuds, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.